Next, I'll show you how to bring your site to life with a modern logo, beautiful images, and powerful text that speaks directly to your audience. At the top of the site, click the logo and select Use AI to create a unique logo. You only get one credit included, so it's worth starting with a solid prompt. I like using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and write a short, punchy prompt I can paste right in. Next, pick a style. Minimalistic works well, and under the gear button toggle on Make Logo Colorful for more vibrant logos. The logo maker will generate a few options. Once you find one you like, click Edit Logo to customize the text, adjust the font and colors, and tweak the layout. I usually go with the icon on the left and text on the right. It tends to look clean and professional. When you're happy with it, download your files. You'll get a transparent logo and a favicon, both ready to use on your site. And if you want more control, there's also an option to create a simple text logo. Just know it won't include an icon. If you didn't like the Hostinger logo and you don't want to buy extra credits, another way to create a logo is with ChatGPT. Just click Create Image, paste in the same image prompt with some details about the logo, send, and tweak the results, like asking for a horizontal layout with the icon on the left. Once you're happy, download the image and remove the background using Canva's background remover tool. Crop the image, save it, and now you've got a clean, transparent logo ready for your site. Back in Hostinger, here you see we still have the logo dialog open, so now we'll click Replace Image and then Upload Files. Here you can choose to use the logo file generated by Hostinger or by ChatGPT. In my case, I prefer the ChatGPT version with a transparent background, so I'll select that one, and then click Open. Go ahead and select the uploaded image, and you'll see the logo has been added to the website. That said, it's a little small, so back in the header settings dialog, drag the slider to make the logo a little bit bigger. There, I like the way that looks.